Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto related video. This video make for payment proof related. So in uh, previously I was make this video. If you want to know this side, please keep watching and continue. First of all, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. Has a two-part, one part crypto related video uploaded in this and other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information, those or crypto related or travel, please stay with me and keep watching. Okay. Um, Now I my topic. Here is the topic of Galacticash. It is the new mining set. Previously, I was make this video. Uh, in this video, I also all information share in this by. I cannot make this video, and I cannot withdraw from this site, but my referral was request me please make this video and please some withdraw money from this side. That reason I was make this video because of this new mining set, and this the already review is good, so good. So that's the reason I cannot withdraw from it because of I was trusted this site. Now I also make this video and try to it for my my referral team for trusted. Okay, now this is the trusted site. I also show you now some share your information about this site. There's the there's the site is so good. This is the Galactic Cash. Already 8 days running this site. So what is the plan I will show you, and here is the some plan here. When you enter this site, you uh, member free member for 2 days. Okay, and must be upgrade this G1 package, G2 package, and also G3 package. uh, must be you update this. Here is a plan here. Here is a deposit item. How to deposit this site, you can watch my previous video. I now I share your main topic. My topic is only for withdraw or payment flow. Okay, so now I go to my account. Here is my account, and first how to uh, get this site. Here is this profile option, and select this withdraw option. Okay, and my withdraw record. Here is my withdraw complete. Here is the date of, and also here is time. Here's time 7:32 a.m. in Bangladeshi time. Okay, so now I show their receipt time. Has my deposit confirmation. Only $2. I also withdraw from 2.10. Here is some blockchain fee cut off from my uh, payment. is this showing, or is my payment when I withdraw request, and I go to my Bybit account. Here is a receiving amount is only uh, 20 minutes after I was received it. So here's the first payment in this site, so you can easily join this site. Site is good. So how to withdraw from this site, I also show you. First up, you when you coin purse amount, you can withdraw from this site. How to transfer your contact wallet to coin parts, I show you. First up, select this option or withdraw option. Okay, so I, and also you can select this, click this option. Okay, here's this option, type your coin parts. Okay, so here is a 00 balance. How many amount you can transfer to coin parts. If you don't transfer to coin parts, you cannot withdraw from this site. Okay, so here is a type your amount, how many amount uh, withdraw from or transfer from this site. So if you need to $10 or $40, you can type this and press this option, confirm, then it will be transferred to coin parts account. Then you click this option, withdraw option. Here is a select your wallet address and select your amount. Okay, or type your amount. Here is a show here, handling fee $2. Now submit this option, and must be select set up your transaction password. Type your password, minimum 6 word. Okay, 3 4 5 6. Okay, and then again you type this 6 password. Okay, then submit it. Okay, then you can again type this. Okay, now click this option and type your password, then it will be under review. That means that's the position you can your withdraw request. When it will be completed, then you will be able to receive your account. And main topic is you must be withdraw your amount in 7:37 p.m. to 19 p.m. That's the business hours. Okay, so this time was is Bangladeshi time, evening 7 p.m. Okay, again evening 7 p.m. So if you before request your if you request before 7 p.m, you can you cannot request it, because of thus the business hour will be starting 7 p.m. in Bangladesh time. And other information to you, you cannot withdraw about this time. Okay, that's the end of video. Have your comment, please